Okay, this is the LAMTTO Sentinel monitoring dual camera dash cam. Got the unit right here. So you put it into the car, kind of like that. This reverse. This is the cabin camera, and this is the forward-facing camera. So you scan the QR code, and then it'll take you to this page here. You download. Okay.
The blue LED will light up after about 1 minute. Click Next.
Blue light is on. Next.
Enter a new address or press Enter to use your default address.
There's no screen on this thing, so everything you do is through the phone. Okay, so they give you a trial service. There's a cloud service. There's the monitoring. I have the dash cam connected right there, and it's running down to the OBD port. It is right there. So it is connected. Now let me check the app to see if it works. Perfect. There it is. The app is right there, and it works. Now I'm gonna go and take it for a little drive and see what happens. Okay, so this is a test of the internal microphone of this dash cam. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but we are recording. Oh, they have more than one entrance. Oh, the parking lot is